Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a Dredfx custom paint review. In today's review we are doing a review on some Fibreglass artist blanks. This is by F.A.B. They're a UK based company in Wolverhampton. The owners of the company are Mick and Sue. I got introduced to Mick and Sue at a UK airbrush forum get together which was last week, so there was a load of artists. Really good night, and I got introduced to Mick and Sue, and this is what they specialise in, is artist blanks which are Fibreglass. As you can see here, this is a old school mini bonnet and it is absolutely bang on to a old school mini bonnet. We've even got the centre crease in, and the finish on this is spot on. You could basically go straight in with a Scotch-Brite, scotch this up and you are ready to go painting. Or you could go with primers on this, it's not a problem, and then go up to your clear coats and things like that. So the reason why I picked this up, I've not used these artist blanks before in my career of airbrushing, and I've always wanted to give it a go. And then when I got introduced to Mick and Sue, I clocked the mini bonnet and thought, yeah, I'm going to buy that. We'll do this for the channel, I'll do a review on them, and I just think they're absolutely superb, guys. They're really thick as well, they're solid. The finish is really nice. So yeah, I'm looking forward to painting this. This will be an up and coming video on this mini bonnet. So a bit more about F.A.B. They've been fiberglassing for 20 years, so they know exactly what they're doing when it comes to making things out of fiberglass. I'll pop a few pictures up now. This is just some of the work that they produce. So as you can see, we've got crash helmets, an array of like half helmets or full helmets. You get tanks, you can get the split tanks like the Harley. They do the full Harley tank, which I've seen. Fireman's helmets, old school war helmets. They do an absolute array of stuff for you to practice on, guys. So if you're just starting out, I think this is a really good way to go, is buy a load of artist blanks before you start painting customers pieces. So if you want to get into the tanks, like you've got, say you've got some Harley stuff that you might have some customers coming up and you need something to practice on other than a piece of paper, you could get a Harley tank from these and you could practice that design you're doing for a customer on a piece before you go out and actually try and do it on a customer's piece, tank or fender or things like that. Same with the crash helmets, really nice to practice on. And the good thing about these is if you go wrong, you can just sand it off, start again, and just keep doing that as many times as you want. Just keep sanding it back. But if you've got a customer's tank or crash helmet and you go wrong, it's a lot more scarier, because that's probably like a £200–300 crash helmet, when you could pick up an artist blank, have a good practice, and you're good to go. So I'm looking forward to painting this. This will be in an up and coming video. I've got some metal flake. There's a metal flake video coming up for you guys, so I'm going to do some metal flake on this old school lowrider style metal flake and a bit of artwork. So that's F.A.B. They're Fibreglass artist blanks. They're based in Wolverhampton. The owners, Mick and Sue. Highly recommend them, guys, especially if you're starting out. As I say, brilliant to practice on. The finish on these are second to none. They really are. They're nice and solid. Make a great piece of wall art for your studio. So I'll put all the links in the description so you can get a look at some of more stuff of what they do, because I've only got a few pictures there of some of the bits that they do, but they've got an absolute array of stuff. So anything you've got coming up, I guarantee they'll have a blank for you to practice on. So that's the end of this short video in this little review on the Fibreglass artist blanks. Highly recommend it, big thumbs up from me, and I'll see you in the next video when we'll be painting this actual piece here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, click that subscribe, press that notification so you don't miss out on any more up and coming videos on Dredfx custom paint. See you in the next one.